He bit off the fruit. Then God came, because responsibility wasn't given to the woman, it was given to the man. The man was the leader, the teacher, the head. And because of that, God came, and then he said to Adam, he didn't say to Eve, and he didn't say to the serpent. He said it to the one he gave the authority first. I can assure you, men, that God will always come to you first when something is out of sort in your family. He came to Adam and said, Adam, where are you? Now we know that God knew where he was, because you cannot hide from God. There is nothing that hides you. So hiding behind the bush couldn't conceal him. And when he opened his mouth, he said, God said, what have you done? Did you eat from the tree? He said, the woman you gave me. The moment he blamed her, he became a failure and passed his authority over to that woman.